From time to time, we'll get injectors that won't flow properly. There's a spring-loaded bearing that allows fuel in, and when it pressurizes, that bearing closes, and that's what allows it to spray. If that bearing isn't opening or closing fully, you can wind up with flow issues. Now, we clean and blow those out with light air and lubricate them and so on, but sometimes you can still have a problem. Let me show you the difference. These are two injectors from the same engine. Let me show you what happens with the one that's having a trouble flowing. The flow volume on the bench is about 15 cc's less than this one. Here's the cause of it. Watch what happens if I remove the nozzles and I simply turn on the pump pressure. Look at the difference in flow. That's what it should do. This is what it's doing. So there's definitely a restriction on that input bearing that we cannot solve.